Get GPT-4 for free. In this video, I will show you how to get GPT-4 for free. So, all ChatGPT users are getting GPT-4 for free with like a new model. OpenAI is bringing a new AI model, GPT-4o, to ChatGPT. The company said Monday the idea is to bring GPT-4 plus chat to the OpenAI app and for free to all OpenAI users. OpenAI will accompany the launch of the GPT-4o module with a new Mac app that will showcase the capabilities of the new model, which can now see the world around it. A Windows app will deploy later on. The GPT-4o module can now see, as well, the vision capabilities that include desktop screenshots, as well as the ability to upload video and screenshots from a mobile app. Again, just an iPhone app for free. So, free users will be able to use the new GPT-4o module with their ChatGPT account, but there will be a rate limit. The GPT-4o module support web browsing memory so that the module will understand the context of what you are asking in terms of earlier conversations, and the GPT store. There will be a limit on the number of messages that free users can send with GPT-4o depending on usage and demand. OpenAI said when the limit is reached, ChatGPT will automatically switch to GPT 3.5 so users can continue their conversation. And this is how you can get GPT-4 for free. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.